Enlightenment can be painful, man. I'm gonna tell you why. When you looking to grow in life, it takes some real self-discovery. It takes some real accountability. And sometimes it's painful to do that. It's painful for you to look at the mistakes that you made and have to suck that shit up and realize, damn, I did that to myself. Especially after you done been blaming other people, you gotta look at it and be like, damn, I really put myself in this situation. It can be painful to realize the fact that you accepted something so long that you knew you shouldn't accept, or that you lowered yourself and became a certain way when you know that you shouldn't have been that way. It's simply painful for some people to realize, man, damn, I made the wrong decision. To look at exercise and getting in shape, it comes with pain. You gotta break the muscles down to build them up to make it stronger, and while you getting stronger, you may be sore. You may be sore for 2-3 days. It's painful, but through that pain, you getting healing and you getting stronger. So it's that pain that's making you stronger. You start realizing how much other people are not on that same path, and that can be painful for you because you want people around you and the people that you care about to benefit from the good that you realizing in life. But if you continue to be in that wrong environment, then you're gonna get hit with that don't nobody want to hear that shit Sharif type of energy, you know what I'm saying? But you cutting off them relationships and moving on to people who share your same beliefs, who share your same level of intelligence, share your same level of accountability and responsibility, who looking to do better in life, so that can be painful. And number one place that you can find enlightenment is your relationship with God, and let that relationship with God trickle down into your spiritual man, your soul, and how you exude that through your physical being. Even though all these things can be painful for you, remember that pain is temporary. I got it tatted on my chest. You also begin to obtain a level of peace and tranquility into your life. To me, that's more important than anything,